Daughter in law, give me a glass of water. Yes, mother in law will just bring. What is it? Can't you listen? Mother in law, just let me clean it first. Hands are dirty. I'll wash hands and then bring it. How many times I have told you when I'm telling to do some work? Do it right now only. Don't you understand it once? Go and bring water. Yes, mother in law. Mother in law, water. Now, what are you looking at my face standing here? Go and see who is at the door. Yes, mother in law. Don't know where she's lost. Dad, you? That too without informing.
Yes, dear. Uh, I had some work with you.
Yes, yes, come inside now, father. Come. Mother in law, father just came.
Hello.
Namaste. Dad, come now, you sit. Tell me, father, what you will have?
Whatever you have made, I'll eat it.
Okay, dish of potato and peas and chapatis. I'll just bring.
Okay.
Dad, have tea.
Tea and food.
Dad, it was of morning. I'll prepare fresh food for you.
Okay. Uh, by the way, I'm not hungry. I had already eaten from home. Now that I've got tea from you, I won't feel hungry till evening.
By the way, Dad, you didn't tell me for what work you came?
Your medicines are over. I'll go and get them today. The doctor said that you shouldn't skip the medicines for a single day.
Hey, from where you will bring medicines? We don't have money for groceries. When we'll have money, then you will bring, na. And I'm telling you, don't spend money on me. If I'll have to save, then I'll save. Otherwise, your burden will be less.
Like, don't you dare say that. As long as I'm alive, I'm with you. And you'll be fine. I'll go to my daughter. She'll help me.
But is it okay to ask help from her?
I don't know that. But I know that I have to do something to make you feel better. Uh, it's nothing, dear. I was just passing by. So I thought of meeting you. That's it. Okay, I'm leaving, eh?
You sure there is no other work now, father?
No, dear. Okay, I'll leave now. Dear, I don't even have a money to give you today. I'll give this next time.
It's okay, Dad. By the way, if you don't have money, then how you will go?
You don't worry. I'll go.
You wait for a minute. I will just come.
Keep it, Dad. Mom is so unwell. She takes so many medicines. You don't even have any work. If we don't support you at this time, then who will? But son, I can't take so much money. Why can't you? Isn't she like my mother? Don't you guys are not my parents? No, no, it's not like that, son. If it's not like that, then take this money and keep it.
What are you doing this? Take the money back. Otherwise, no one would be worse than me.
Mom, you go inside. If you say anything else, then no one will be worse than me. What should I say, son? I am blessed to have a son like you as a son in law. And I don't have to worry about my daughter either. You don't have to worry about Swara. You go now, mom is waiting. You take care of her. And if you need anything, you just have to call me. No need to come here. Okay, son. Okay, bye.
How you came to know that father needed money?
I just called mom to ask how she was. So I told her to talk to dad too. So she told me that dad is here only. So I came here quickly.
Thank you so much for helping my mom, dad.
Thank you. They are not only your parents, they are my mom, dad too. Okay? So there is no need to say thank you. Did you understand?
Understood.
Okay, now give me my protein.